Hello little friends, gather close. Bluey brings out a doctor kit. The box clicks open, shiny tools sparkle inside. Bluey gasps with joy, let's play doctor today. Bingo hops onto a chair, her tail wiggles fast. Bluey lifts the stethoscope, boom boom, funny sound. She presses it on Bingo, heartbeat thumps like drums. Bluey laughs with delight, this is amazing. Bingo opens her mouth, check my teeth now. Bluey shines a toy light, her eyes widen big. Sparkly and bright, she giggles, Bingo claps her paws. Bluey grabs a bandage roll, she wraps it gently. Bingo wiggles and giggles, doctor makes me better. Bluey points at the kit, next test, thermometer time. Beep beep, tiny sound, Bingo pretends to shiver. Bluey pats her gently, all safe, all good. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss magical playtime. Bluey opens another tool, a toy hammer shines. Tap tap on Bingo's knee, her leg jumps silly. Both burst with laughter, echoes fill the yard. Bluey scribbles on paper, doctor notes, very healthy. She twirls with excitement, her tail spins round. Bingo stands up tall, doctor game is fun. Bluey nods with pride, doctors help friends smile. They pack the kit slowly, each toy goes inside. The sun lowers gently, colors paint the grass. Bluey stretches with a yawn, her eyes feel sleepy. Bingo hugs her tight, warm and cozy moment. Bluey whispers softly, sweet dreams, little healer.